What's up guys, this is Jigs Crypto and welcome to my channel. We will have our daily crypto price update and let's take a look at CoinMarketCap. Looking at Bitcoin, it's currently at 454 trillion, Ethereum at 208 trillion. For our top 20 market cap for today, number 1 is Bitcoin, number 2 Ethereum, USDT, USDC, BNB, XRP, Binance USD or BUSD, Cardano ADA, Solana or Sol, and number 10 is Dogecoin. For number 11, it's Polkadot or DOT, Polygon MATIC, DAI, Avalanche or AVAX, Uniswap, Shiba Inu, Tron, Wrap Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, and Yunus said Leo. Let's take a look at the 24-hour changes. So here's our top 3 for the 24-hour changes. We have Optimism OP, Ethereum Classic ETC, Curve DAO Token or CRP. And our top 3 changes within the 7 days. We have Optimism OP as number 1, second is Ethereum Classic, and third is Lido DAO LDO. Let's take a look at Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. So currently, Bitcoin is around 23,788 and 61 cents. 24-hour changes, lowest is 22,722 and 27 cents. Highest is 24,110 and 47. Looking at Ethereum, it's currently at 1,710 and 51 cents. 24-hour changes, lowest is 1,604 and 89 cents. And the highest is 1,774 and 58. For Cardano ADA, it is currently at 51 cents. 24-hour changes, lowest is 49 cents and the highest is 52 cents. Going to Polygon or MATIC right now, it's currently at 96 cents. It's going strong, it's going to $1. And 24-hour changes right now, the lowest is 85 cents and the highest is 97 cents. Next is XRP. Currently, it is at 37 cents and the lowest within the 24-hour change is 35 cents and the highest is 37. For Avalanche or AVAX, currently it's $24.51. Lowest is $22.61 and the highest is $24.75. Lastly, let's take a look at Solana. Currently, it is around $42.92. Lowest is $39.32, while the highest is $44.07. And that's it. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated with the latest video. And this is Jigs Crypto signing out.